So let's discuss what we mean by apply on the basis of your private life. You can only apply on the basis of your private life if you already living in the UK. You must be able to prove that you are under 18 and you have lived in the UK continuously for at least 7 years. And it would be unreasonable to expect you to leave the UK. Are between 18 and 24 and you have lived continuously in the UK for more than half of your life. Are 18 or over, have spent less than 20 years in the UK and would have very significant problems living in the country you have to go. Have been in the UK continuously for 20 years. Were born in the UK to a person who has permission to stay in the UK on the basis of their private life or applying for it. Your family member can apply on the same application. You will consider it separately. Now let's discuss how to apply. You can apply online and the link is immigration.service.gov/product/family roots. At the end of this video, there is a video I have done to show you how to apply online in actual. Now let's discuss the information you must provide when you apply this visa. You will need to have information and some evidence ready when you make your application include information for you and any dependent applying at the same time. You'll need to provide all your names, your date of birth, your current passport, copies of photo page, a biometric residence permit, details of any previous immigration application, details of any criminal conviction, your NI number, current date of birth, nationality, TB certificate, a certificate of translation if any documents are not in English. You will need to have a blank page of your passport as well. Just the basic requirements these are. You also need to prove your finances, your English language, your knowledge of your English. You may need to provide additional documents depending on your circumstances. For example, a sponsorship form from your family member in the UK. I have created a video on my channel regarding the sponsorship form, how to fill that and where to find that. Check that video if you need. You will be told how to provide your documents when you apply. Your partner details if you have a partner. You will be asked about their name, date of birth, nationality, passport, right to be in the UK. You will also need to give details of any previous of your partners you married to, evidence of your marriage ending, anyone your partner support with money, etc. Proof of relationship if you are applying as a spouse or partner, you will be asked about your relationship with your partner, for example, how you met and how often you see each other, how long you have lived together. You'll need to provide proof like council tax bills, things you pay for together, whether you are partner or carer. If you cannot pay the application fee, in that case, you can apply for waiver online. If you cannot afford to pay the fees because you do not have a place to live, you cannot afford one, have a place to live, but cannot afford your essential cost of living for heat and food and cost and heating, etc. Have a low income and paying the fees would harm your child well-being. How long you can stay. So sometime this form is really helpful. Like you don't need to pay fees and that supports your application because you are homeless, etc. Okay, how long you can stay. You can stay in the UK for 2 years and 6 months on this visa. You can apply to stay for 5 years instead if you are under 18 and have lived in the UK continuously for at least 7 years. Aged between 18 and 24 and have spent half of your life in the UK. When you can settle after 5 years if you either under 18 and have lived in the UK for at least 7 years. aged between 18 and 24, have spent half of your life in the UK, you can settle after 10 years if you either 18 or over have spent less than 20 years in the UK and would have significant problems living in the country you have to go to. Born in the UK, to a person who has permission to stay in the UK. For example, your father got the British nationality on the basis of their private life or applying for it. Who, when you can settle? So we have already discussed that. Okay. If you are extending your visa, we haven't discussed that part. You can extend for 2 years and 6 months. So you can settle after 5 years if you are either, I'll go back. If you can settle after 5 years if you are either under 18 and have lived in the UK for at least 7 years, aged between 18 and 24 and have spent half your life in the UK. You can settle after 10 years if you are either 18 and have spent less than 20 years in the UK and would have very significant problem living in the country where you have to go back. If you are extending your visa, you can extend for 2 years and 6 months. Give proof of your income. You and your partner must have combined income of at least 18,006 years. If you are applying as a partner, you want to settle in the UK, get ILR within 5 years. You must prove you have extra money if you have children who are not British citizen, do not have pre-settled status, are not permanently settled in the UK. Okay. So 18,600 if you wanted to apply to be settled within 5 years. You must prove of your extra money if you have extra children. You need to prove extra money of your children. You need to earn an extra 3,800 a year for your first child, 2,400 a year for each child after your first child. This is called minimum income requirement. You may be able to use your saving instead of income. How you prove you have the money depend on how you got the income. What count as income? So let's discuss that in detail. You and your partner can use income from employment before tax and NI. Check your payslip P60, that will be very helpful. You can only use your own income if you earn in the UK. Income you earn from self-employment or as a director of a limited company in the UK, cash saving above 16,000, money from pension, non-work income, for example, from property, rental or dividends. If you are using income from self-employment or employment, you will be need to prove you and your partner receive that income for 6 months and more. For example, you have worked with the same employers earning 18,600 or more for 6 months or longer. You will need to provide proof of your income with your application. If you or your partner are employed, you could include bank statements, 6 months pay slips, a letter from your employer. The letter should confirm you and your partner are employed there, the job title, position, or your partner's role, how long you and your partner have worked there, the type of contract, permanent, fixed term, what you or your partner earned before tax and NI, how long you or your partner have been paid, your current salary, the pay slips are genuine. You will be told exactly what documents to provide when you apply online. Check the guideline, the Appendix FM 1.7 financial requirement. That's the one which you have to see for the for this visa. You and your partner income is more complicated. You or your partner have taken maternity paternity leave in the last 6 months. You want to combine different income sources. The details given guidance also explains the evidence you need to provide for each of the type of income you are relying on. If you cannot meet the minimum income requirement, you need to show you or your partner meet the minimum income requirement if you want to settle in 5 years as a partner. If you do not meet the requirement, you may be able to settle in 10 years. When do you need to meet the requirement? When you don't need to meet the income requirement, you may be able to settle in 5 years without meeting the minimum income requirement if either you are applying as a parent, you get certain benefits, for example, disability living allowance or carer allowance. You need to show your family have enough money to support and accommodate yourself without relying on public funds. A caseworker consider your income and housing cost. Check the guidance again, financial requirement, which is known as FM 1.7. If you need that guidance PDF, send me an email and I'll send that to you.